Welcome to the Blockchain Musician. In today's news, we're talking about BitTorrent. BitTorrent, if you don't already know, is currently a file sharing system that is using blockchain technology to decentralize the whole industry and take out the middleman. Yes, they use it for file sharing as well. But since we are the blockchain musician, we are going to be relating this to music news. In this music news, BitTorrent is actually working on introducing a new live streaming platform. That platform, ladies and gentlemen, will be called BeLive. So BeLive is going to be using the same blockchain technology that BitTorrent is using for their file sharing system, but it's going to be using it for this platform in particular. So here you will be able to still record your own live videos, similar to the TikTok app is what they're comparing it to. And you can also use their token, which is BTT. They partner with the Tron Foundation to create their new cryptocurrency called BTT, which is what they're using for their file sharing system as well. So you can use this BTT and you can also get paid for that. So it's going to be pretty similar to kind of the YouTube live system where the viewers can also, make donations and give to the content creators. But in this case, you will be giving and receiving this new coin, which is the BTT. So this BeLive is not yet active. They don't actually have this out in beta testing yet, but it's still in development. And in other news, it seems that they are planning on releasing that first testing coming up within the second financial quarter this year, and it will be a invitation only basis. So if you're interested in becoming one of the first people to test it out as a BeLive viewer or as a BeLive user, you can just simply go to their website. We can pull that up here. You go to bittorrent.com/live, click on get started. They just want your email address, the company that you're from. They have lots of options here. So they're definitely planning on being international, which is great for their market, seeing as how they already have lots of competition from TikTok and YouTube. You've got Twitch streaming. People can do live videos from all over the world. So all you have to do is put in your email address here. Then you can select your country, choose if you're going to become a broadcaster. If you do plan on becoming a content creator, you don't want to compete with a large pool of musicians and artists that are doing YouTube live streams, then BeLive is a great option for you, especially if you do want to reduce that middleman and put more money back into your pocket. Then go ahead, check on become a broadcaster, click on sign up, and then they will send you an email in the future when they're ready to go live with their beta testing. So you can be one of the first people to sign up and be notified when the beta is available. So that's exciting. And that's what we have in the news today. Make sure you like this video. If it was informational, share with your friends. Click the subscribe button and put in the comments if you're interested, if you think this BeLive is a great platform, something that you think you may be using in the future. If there's any other questions you have about BeLive or BitTorrent and how they're going to be utilizing this blockchain technology for music and videos now. And also put in the comments if there's any other type of technology or apps or platforms that you've heard of that you maybe want to find out more information about. And we'll be sure to make a future video about that for you in particular. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.